big points right now for the San Miguel Beermen.
I think the correct number is 25 with 24
That's right.
from CJ. As Malonzo picks up his dribble, he's looking for a friend. Malonzo, the pass to tight, stolen by Trojano. Rosales on the floor, stress. Doubled up by the defense, but Trojano recovers.
It's defense right now coming from the San Miguel Beermen to force a 4-0 run in the last 30 seconds of this ball game.
10 steals in total. Needs a lot more size on the floor to contend with SMB. And Thompson deliver in the end game. Maverick Anmisi has been super aggressive. Malonzo, the three-point shot is on.
That's just so big. That shot of Jamie Malonzo. Great scoring night for Jamie. He's got 13 points.
Almost a steal there coming from Scotty. Johnson locates Cruz. Jericho uses the screen from Junmar. Cruz is fouled and it will be 2 free throws.
He's just doing the killing right now against Barangay Ginebra.
Of big time scoring numbers, he's delivering for SMB now. Thompson turns the corner. Scotty lost it on the way up, but they will recover. Alonso working on the defense of Trojano. The strong drive now. Will stay though with Barangay Ginebra. Fresh 14 on their clock.
Gilmar Farado was there to make sure that it's not going to be an easy 2 points. Coming from Jamie Malonzo.
Ahanmisi gave them a chance, and now he is fouled by Tiongson. Still going to that matchup, still sending the ball to whoever Tiongson is defending.
And we're seeing it from the coaches. No, you're not going to give up that ball. You've got to attack.